When the COVID-19 pandemic hit New York City last spring, Elmhurst Hospital was at the forefront of the fight, a battle Dr. Gary Brandeis knows all too well.
We had patients in the emergency room, up on all the units. We were making extra beds, bringing them out, out of the basement. There were just beds appearing.
Like scores of medical professionals across the globe, Brandeis and his colleagues at Elmhurst were fighting an invisible enemy, an enemy for which there was no preparation.
What was the worst was the unknowing, of how to treat this disease, seeing x-rays, getting lab values that I hadn't seen, that nobody has seen before.
They were able to save many lives, and sadly, there were many lives that were lost.
There were folks from our neighborhood, and from this Elmhurst neighborhood, and they did die. They did die in front of us.
All the experts of the world were focused at Elmhurst. They were all giving their advice.
As the new CEO of Elmhurst Hospital, Ortega Landaverde's commitment to its mission goes without saying. Actually, it goes a little further. Landaverde caught coronavirus last year and was treated at the hospital she's now in charge of.
I came to Elmhurst Hospital not only because it's my community hospital, but also this is where all the experts were. Like if you got COVID, you wanted to come to the people who saw COVID firsthand, who understood how to treat it and how to manage it.
Although vaccinations are underway, the pandemic is still ongoing, and the needs of healthcare professionals remain large in the face of cuts to funding.
I truly believe the one place we shouldn't be cutting is healthcare right now. We do not want a third wave, and if we do get a third wave, we want to make sure we're ready.
Still, they and the rest of their industry soldier on, applying lessons learned from year one as they now heroically face year two.
I take it very with great honor and heaviness, because I know the responsibility that comes with it. And only faith can help you carry that weight.
We are getting better. I do foresee that this will end, whereas maybe a year ago, I had no idea.
Antoine Lewis, Fox 5 News.